Yo, what's up, broski and sisterski? Welcome to Finny and Ginny channel. Every Sunday we're gonna plan it like Korean barbecue, right, honey? Our favorite. 또 매주 일요일마다 그냥 한번 고기랑 이렇게 삼겹살이랑 한국식으로 이렇게 먹으려고 노력 중입니다. 그래서 여러분들한테 보여주고 싶어서 이렇게 찍습니다. Why? I'm really good?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. She said, I'm really good at speak Korean. Yay.
I should sit here, no?
Huh?
I'm gonna tie it to you, right?
Okay, nice.
Or can you?
No, it's okay. I can just go around. Oh, no, I gotta sit here. Because I have to keep doing it, you know. 계란찜 is coming, guys.
Yeah.
You know what is that, honey?
Steam egg.
Yeah, steam egg.
I knew it.
Can you make some sweet sometimes?
Yep. Ready?
Watch out.
You know what it's time for?
Oh.
Ketchup.
Wow, okay. Oh, I forgot the Korean, the sauce.
Oh,
쌈장.
yeah.
Okay. Here's the sauce.
I can tell you like pepper. I can tell you like pepper.
Pepper?
I can tell you like it.
Oh yeah, right. There's a one-time frozen honey, all the meat. That's why like more oily, you know, comes out. 한번 냉동을 했던 거라서 좀 기름이 많이 나오네요. 뭐 그래도 맛있게 먹으면 되죠. You can try first, honey. Come on. Come on, it's okay.
Thanks.
Okay. You try first. And this one too. Okay, nice.
It's what's this?
Oh, it's the same oil, but it's a little different flavor.
I'll try.
It depends on people. Someone's like it, someone's not.
Good.
Good? Nice? Good. I don't know how to say, honey. It's a sesame. It's not a sesame oil. But I don't know how to make it from.
You can make them?
Yeah, sesame, you know the sesame oil, right?
Sesame?
Huh?
Sesame?
I think so.
Sesame?
Sesame oil? We one that we always eat it, honey?
Yeah, sesame oil, right?
Yeah. But it's different a little bit. Let me look it up and show you, honey, okay? Too excited? Okay. Oh, and this 파절이 too, honey?
Yeah.
How does steam egg?
Good. That's good.
Good, you like it? 마늘도 굽고
Good.
끝. 오, 수. 땀무. 이모. 오.
Good. Good.
이모가 토피지. hvað?
That's spicy.
왜?
가져는
I feel like more Sunday, honey.
Yeah.
삼겹살 먹으니까 느낌이 더 일요일 같네요.
Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on, you know.
I know, right?
Like, oh, what to eat next? What to eat next?
준이가 만약에 너무 많아서 뭘 먹어야 될지 잘 모르겠다고. 오. 아니, 준이 나도 달라붙냐. 준이가 매운 거 땡초를 진짜 좋아해요. 같이 먹고 매운 것도 잘 먹고요. 저는 그렇게 잘 먹지는 않아요. I'm not that good. It tastes good. It is spicy food.
I know, I love it. Same.
You like it too, honey? 고기를 한 번 더 구우러 가겠습니다. 저는. 업. 와우. What's up, baby? 마늘도 이렇게. 이거 보니까 여러분들 많이 배가 고프실 것 같은데 I think when they check this video, honey, they might hungry too.
Right.
He craving it.
Ow.
Good.
Oh my gosh, what's with your rice?
I know.
Weird. Okay.
Okay.
Extra flavor. fries or
와우.
garlic, jalapeno.
와. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
오. I need one more rice.
라이스 밥을 더 가져왔습니다. 오. 오.
그럼 이렇게 풀고 가면
I'll give you a baby sauce. That make it so cook belly oil.
The grease.
It's really hard for me. 뜨거우니까 조심해. You know what I say, honey? Yes. And you say like that.
Say it.
뜨거우니까 조심해. Yes.
Really?
It's hot. Be careful.
Ah, I was half right.
You're right, actually. Yeah.
Smart, thank you.
Whoa.
Sparkling water.
After she tried some Korean food, she mostly craving sparkling water.
That's mostly all food actually.
Really?
I crave water, like sparkling water after I eat.
Craving? 이게 한국 음식 먹으면은 비리는 탄산수를 엄청 많이 고파해요. 항상 먹죠. 약간 뭐 저는 제대로 된 맛은 모르지만 약간 한국의 치맥 그런 거 같이 땡긴다고 해야 되나? And explain to them like, you know, it's a good collaboration which is chicken and beer, you know what I mean? Something like that. I explain. So Korean food is
Yeah.
you with the sparkling water. That's enough, honey, right, honey? You think that's enough, right?
Is that more meat?
Yeah.
Then cook it.
Cook it.
Yeah.
Can you eat it all?
Yeah. Can you?
Not really.
You can since when? You eat a lot of rice, that's why.
I know. I already told them. You know. It's like a snack. Dessert is ice cream. 후식은 아이스크림으로 저희를 먹겠습니다.
That is cool.
Huh?
That is cool.
You know, it's not only women. Boys like make a stomach too. You know, like there's a space for dessert.
For me, no.
Really? I saw the people. They actually X-ray the video. The first mentioned the dessert on it. Make it like that really. It really moved.
Lie.
No, it's like that only.
No, the kids are like that though.
Huh?
The kids
Kids?
from Maddie
Huh?
and Liam,
They lie, right?
they're full, but they can eat dessert. But like not dessert, like they get chips. And not like something sweet, you know?
And your mom's like, I got you. I think when you guys watch this video, you better order something or you're gonna make, cook and watch our video and eat together. 여러분, 나중에 뭐 여러분들 이 비디오 보실 때 같이 뭐 드시면서 같이 이렇게 먹으면 보고 이렇게 하면 좋겠네요. 왜냐면은 그냥 보기만 하면 배고프잖아요. Right, baby? She understood.
Of course they do.
아, 배부르니까 잠이 오네. 허리 이제 뺐다.
This is hot.
오, 너무 터지.
Baby, can you say 먹방 끝?
Oh, I like that.
응?
I like that.
Say 먹방
Mukbang.
끝.
Good.
That means this means 모두 먹방.
Oh, really?
응?
Oh.
Again, 먹방 끝 together, okay? Ready, go. 먹방 끝.